Welcome back to Overheat 2025 Mazda 3, a combination of performance and style. As one of the most stylish little hatchbacks and sedans available, the 2025 Mazda 3 is still regarded as such. The 2025 Mazda 3 provides a memorable driving experience with its sophisticated styling, opulent interior, and pleasurable driving capabilities. External design to Koyo Design, the 2025 Mazda 3 has a dynamic and sophisticated look thanks to its adoption of Mazda's distinctive Kodo design language. It appears dynamic because to its wide front grille, angular headlights, and flowing body lines. Options for hatchback and sedan. There are two body styles available: hatchback and sedan, offering versatility for a range of applications. Color options comes in a range of eye-catching hues that let you personalize your car's look to your liking. Inside luxurious cabin, the 2025 Mazda 3's inside is made with premium materials and an ergonomic arrangement, which results in a plush and cozy space. Modern technology outfitted with the newest technologies, including smartphone connectivity, a top-notch sound system, and a snappy infotainment screen. Comfortable driving position. Long-distance driving is made more comfortable by the sporty and ergonomic driving position. Performance. Responsive engine outfitted with an efficient and responsive gasoline engine that offers cheap fuel usage and smooth acceleration. Accurate handling. The 2025 Mazda 3 is a delight to drive because to its precisely adjusted suspension, which offers steady and accurate handling. Transmission options, giving the driver versatility. There are manual and automatic transmission options available. Features of security. Full safety measures. The 2025 Mazda 3 comes with a number of active and passive safety measures, including airbags, traction control, and the anti-lock braking system ABS. Advanced driver aid features including adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, and a front collision warning system are all made possible by Mazda's i-Activsense technology. Benefits of the 2025 Mazda 3: beautiful and sophisticated design, comfortable and opulent interior, driving performance that is enjoyable, full safety features, cutting-edge technology.